This is meteorologist Chris Craven with the National Weather Service in Topeka, Kansas, with an afternoon web briefing regarding the winter system set to impact our area late this afternoon through the evening and overnight hours. We do currently have a winter weather advisory in effect for areas along and southeast of the Kansas Turnpike for some light freezing drizzle that's falling in that area and is expected to fall through the late afternoon and into the evening hours. Then our attention turns to a bigger piece of energy that's rotating into the state this evening into the overnight hours. Our timing on this is high. We do expect snow to spread from west to east, generally 6 p.m. through 6 a.m. from the southwest to northeast. There's a graphic I'll show you to depict that. Heaviest snow between 9 p.m. and 3 a.m. across the area. Our confidence in the type is moderate. We do expect snow to the north with icy conditions to the south, southeast. The mix in between is a little bit difficult in terms of amounts. I'll show you that as well. Location on where the heaviest snow falls, moderate confidence. We do think our heavier snow band will set up across north central northeast Kansas. And then amounts, we have moderate confidence in. Widespread 3 to 6 inches, locally higher amounts possible, and that ice should stay generally in the 1/10 of an inch or less category. So to show this to you in a picture, the area shaded in purple is the area we expect to get generally 3 to 6 inches of snow. It's coming from a system, as I said before, it's spreading from southwest to northeast across the area. So that snow should start falling and intensify 9 p.m. in the Abilene to Concordia area, and then through midnight into the Hiawatha area is the time of the heavier snow we expect on that. We do think a band of heavier snow will set up somewhere generally from the Abilene north to Hiawatha area, a band across that area in the late evening and overnight hours through about, as I said, 9 p.m. to 3 a.m. A little trickier to the south and east where we see some warmer air get mixed into the system. It changes some of that snow back over to either freezing rain, sleet, or snow. We expect a mix of snow and sleet, generally 1 to 4 inches in that band that's set up there between Morris County and Jefferson County. And then across to the southeast, generally a 1/10 of an inch of ice or less expected in that green shaded area. We do have a winter weather advisory in effect through the late afternoon through 6 p.m. for the southeastern counties, as previously mentioned. Then for the entire area from 6 p.m. through 9 a.m. on Saturday. Stay tuned for updates. If our amounts change, we will certainly let you be advised through our products and get those out to you on the web. How will this impact you? Overnight snow, heavy at times, falling in the overnight hours. Obviously, dangerous driving conditions in that heavier snow. If you have plans on Saturday morning to drive somewhere that may be impacted by how much snow you get and how fast it gets cleared off of the roads. For east central Kansas, where there's more of an ice that's building up in that area, do expect slick road conditions. The ice and sleet tend to make the roads slick, especially on areas that are elevated or exposed, such as bridges or overpasses. And just real quick, we've had some questions about next week. Yes, indeed, there is a system on track from Monday night into Tuesday that could potentially bring us several more inches of snow. Again, any shift in that storm track will impact those amounts and could shift it north or south of our area. It does look like we'll get quite a cold shot on Wednesday and Thursday behind that system that comes through on Tuesday. And then possibly another chance for snow on Thursday or Friday. So stay tuned to the forecast for updates. Once again, you can find us on social media, Facebook and Twitter, or on the web at www.weather.gov/Topeka. Thanks for joining us and stay tuned for updates.